Why does helium turn your voice into Alvin the Demon? You suck in a balloon and suddenly you sound like a chipmunk auditioning for horror movies. Helium isn't magic, it's just lighter than air. Sound travels way faster in helium than in normal air, which makes your vocal cords vibrate quicker and your voice shoot up. But if you inhale sulfur hexafluoride, the opposite happens. Your voice drops so low you sound like a demon narrating a movie trailer. So helium makes you squeaky, sulfur makes you scary, and both together, you'd sound like a glitch in the Matrix. And that's exactly